Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to solve a nice problem which is square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 10 and square root of ab is equal to 10. And here we have find a is equal to find and b is the value of find. So first of all we can be written as square root a plus square root b and whole the power of 2 and is equal to this 10 and whole the power of 2. We take square with both sides. And now here we use this question with the help of an algebraic identity which is a plus b and whole the power of 2 and is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And now we can be written as this a square is square root of a square and plus b square is square root of b square and plus this 2 and then square root a and then times square root b and is equal to this 10 square is 100. And now here it is, this square root cancelled out this square and this square root cancelled out this square. So here we can be written as a plus b and plus 2 and this square root a times square root b is multiply them is square root a b and is equal to this 100. So here a plus b and plus 2 and this square root of ab is the value of 10 and here we put them this 10 times 10 and is equal to 100. So this a plus b is equal to this 100 and this 10 multiplied 2 is equal to 20. This plus 20 is moved, here is minus 20. And now in the next step is a plus b is equal to 100 minus 20 is 80. And here we have square root ab is equal to 10. And now here we taking square with both sides, square root ab square and is equal to this 10 square. And now this square root cancelled out this square and is remaining is ab is equal to 10 square, 10 multiplied 2 times is 100. So here this b is equal to 100 then over this a and here the b the value is 100 over a. So we can be written as this a plus b is equal to 80. A plus b is equal to 80. And now here we put the value of b and b the value is 100 over a. So here a plus b the value is 100 over a is equal to 80. And so we multiply them and is equal to this a square and plus 100 over a and is equal to 8. And here in the next step is a square plus 100 is equal to this 80 and a is here. So a square and this plus 80a is minus 80a and plus this 100 and is equal to 0. So here we solve this question with the help of quadratic formula, which is a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus b plus minus and square root of b square minus 4ac then over 2a. And now here we put the values of this formula. So here is a is equal to this minus and b the value of 80 and plus minus square root of this b square is 80 square minus 80 square and minus 4 and a is 1 and c is 100 and then over 2 and a is 1. So in the next step is a is equal to this minus minus cancelled out and this 80 and plus minus square root of this 80 square is 80 multiplied 2 times is 6400 and minus this 4 ones are 4 and 400s are 400 and then over 2 ones are 2. So a is equal to 80 plus minus and this 6400 minus 400 is equal to 6000 and then over 2 and here a is equal to 80 plus minus and this 6000 can be written as 4 times 1500 then over 2 and a is equal to 80 plus minus and now this square root 4 times square root of 1500 and then over 2 and now here a is equal to and this 80 can be written as 2 times 40 and then over 2 and plus minus this square root of 4 can be written as 2 times 1500 and then over 2 and now here this 2 cancelled out this 2 and this 2 cancelled out this 2 and remaining is a is equal to 40 plus minus square root of 1500 and now a is equal to 40 plus minus and this 1500 can be written as square root of 100 times 15. A is equal to 40 plus minus and square root of this 100 times square root of 15 and in the next step is a is equal to 40 plus minus this square root of 100 is can be written as 10 and square root of this 15 and here it is the value of a. So and now here a plus b is equal to 80 and a is equal to 40 plus 10 square root of 15 and a is equal to 40 minus 10 square root of 15. So here this a plus b is equal to 80 and b is equal to 80 and minus this a, b is equal to 80 and minus a, the value of here 40 plus 10 and then square root of 15 and b is equal to 80 minus 40 is 40 and minus plus minus 10 and square root of 15 and so here it is the value of b. And now here a plus b is equal to 80 and b is equal to 80 minus this a and b is equal to 80 and here we put the value of a is 40 minus 10 square root of 15. So b is equal to 40 plus 10 and square root of 15. Here is negative value of b and here is positive value of b and so ab is equal to 40 plus 10 square root of 15 and 40 minus 10 square root of 15. So here is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.